that day. Let's just for a moment speculate, shall we? We had the epileptic seizure around 12:15 p.m., distracting the police.